Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela Uba Alexander Elhek haka khadatrik uyayong arjapsan ulabu yo maunong rem haka jingpli ke skul bersipor jangka Ramakrishna Mission haka snong mautari Thayang Riboy District. Haka ni ke jingpli yo maunong rem lasa hilang da uskatri jangka Ramakrishna Mission soara uswami Anura Gannanda Deputy Commissioner jangka Riboy District Wabilash Baranwal State General Secretary jangka BJP Dr. Everest Mersing Bolongru Patron jangka School SAM jangka Raj Thayang Aim Nikhos Aim SAM Khana jangka Hima Khairim Aim Habenta Sing SAM Orang Basnong jangka Mautari Thayang Tolben Umba Ki Dekot jangka Managing Committee Ki Dekot jangka Raj Bat Kinong Elam Niam Lembat Ki Pajba Nong Shoshnong.
Nagasi ka karatrik o April arpo arbusan asimi kani ka lak ke kabu ban play yaw ne foundation stone ban kumjuro kani school ke ban long ke jing kedak dak ta ke jigo toy jogi bobot ki balang di batang na pala ba ku play ru ke joai bitang ya ka jing ku play pi kilom lang baro bat kan sa pingi bat irekat bat I secretary Krishna Mission ki robasong ki bayin sim bat I Dr. Everest ni jawan lang bagi dia open play ya kani program. So today the 12th April 2020 I take this as an opportunity to lay this foundation stone for the Ramkrishna School here at Mautari Thayang. Congratulations. Happy to see you. Very pleased. This is all. Mendaga segi ke Atrik April April San ketika segi sa dak jing ke mau ke red letter D ke bagi ong bagi lau one ke Ramakrishna Mission ban yuk jat hak di ke stong ke jopi hak di ke Riboy District par hang di ke jaka ke jogi hi baro yong ilong ki brio ki blakir tu sai ta hadin katu kan lepor ku belong mene Dr. Everest lami bon bahag kita ki riu krau la jer geteng jai late Dr. Dalgupar Roy belong chief minister ke bari ke jongi la jer geteng jo Gigi Swell but bonba ki wait ki minister bonba ki wait ki IS ki bla pas na geteng Ramakrishna Mission but menta ki la secara omdai tang prok Meghalaya la secara gari dia hi bara ko bai ki bitta ki paper lingba ki jingyo ki jingna ki jista ya ki jing tiplay ya kor ke burom lingba jong kani ke Ramakrishna Mission Dr. Everest sila batai baga bon hak jing benyo ya kani ka lights ya kani ka snong ke jongfi ni ong ringkat ban I ni le ringkat ni kendo yo pa minister ban kena ong yo bagi don kam dak bata ban ai ka park connection ni ka light connection ke don kam dak bata jong kani ka school ka pensa ya khmat na le na nam ta ka sni chejwe pan ki por te kanom youth hane sibon mat kren rei Eswang ba ngasuan nakakti beteli mereka sini. Eswang ba tangkat ni nomor bang lai kadon kadi kemudian ke bahaya nak kita penyelak kaki kena. Ti nomor ba sim lawar kadi ke por berkekular impi. Kada Dr. Everest Iwan Jiselong dan penta ke sports material jangan ke school dengan saai nak penta ke junior kam jangan ke school dan pi baro. Sports material untuk football dan ke cricket dan ke baski wei de jingda ka ba video kam in sa ahi Dr. Everest anytime any moment that we done for chlong supporting na doctor in sa disium nam tak jinur kam jogi ni kitia sport ki bade nam tak ki khon ki jongi nam tak ki para ki jongi ki pursa ki jongi ki bapuli hak ni school ya ki bokir yang ru ba kani ke school ke ba mentak sini si sini ki po panangwan kumbalai keren mene kan dan kawai ke jaka ban kanlong kan chongne sendan te kermen ba lembaga skul se sekiwi ki benta ngane kilat ba ka Ramakrishna ka jule ba ni baro hingi tip ban i nolor ki jingnang jing start ki jing kai ki ba ki ai ru yakal lar kelti ka ba kum ka jing yarap na kamenta ki ba pang ki ba stom ngai ko blai ru ya siem juga nak hayang lungdo kilongsan mansan kiba klem makiru lese ibro kinomla penulong rei kadai kejingnya trail kat kumbala keren Everest mana kejingnya trail kat mai karaj kumju kasnong bangi kihima te kapanlong ibro kapanlong kejing job.
And when it comes to education, we must unite. Our societies have a problem where 2-3 people create small problems and they steal the limelight. It is the good people, good ventures, we should steal the limelight and do good for the Ilaka. So my special thanks to the chief guest. The minister is here and his presence itself shows that his heart is in the project. He understands and appreciates the nature of the. I am here to thank the people of this Ilaka, both the officials and the people that you have decided to do something very great for your place. That CM Khanna himself came all the way to lend his support. Right from the right side, both of them are here. My special thanks to both of you, all of you. This is again and again we must keep in mind that certain issues requires all of us to join hands. And I am happy to see that you are doing that. Thank you very much.